You can earn continuously compounding interest on your money, and you can spend it when you need to. When you spend cash, how much money does it cost you? Let's say you want to spend $1,000. You have this in a savings account that earns 3% interest if you don't touch it. That means if you don't spend the money, it will earn $30 that year. If you don't spend it for 5 years, you would have $1,159. If you don't spend it for 10 years, you would have $1,344. So, if you spend the money now, you are giving up all the future growth on that money. In effect, you are paying an interest rate, even though it's invisible. Thankfully, there is a solution to this problem. You can earn continuously compounding interest on your money, and you can spend it when you need to at the same time. Click the link below this video, and I'll teach you how to do it in a free course.